friends. How are you? We are good. Welcome to Speak English for Beginners. Are you ready for today's story? Let's begin.
Welcome to Blue Pine Lake. We made it. That means the real adventure starts now.
Yes, explorers, this is where memory making begins.
Look, tiny duck babies.
Stay quiet so we do not scare them. They're on their own little family trip too. It feels like we walked inside a dream.
I don't even want to blink in case I miss something.
Then let's remember this forever.
Are we really leaving today? I packed my bunny backpack all by myself. Yes, today is the big day. Our family trip starts this morning.
I want to see Blue Pine Lake first.
Don't forget your sweater, Ruby. Mom said the lake gets chilly at night. I packed my sweater, my bunny, and 3 cookies. That means I'm completely ready. Great, let's go!
Snacks, water bottles, jackets, camera, first aid kit. I think we finally have everything.
Good, because if we wait any longer, the kids might explode from excitement.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye, house. We'll come back with adventure stories. That is exactly the right attitude. Blue Pine Lake, here we come.
All passengers ready for the greatest family road trip ever?
Ready! Only if we sing in the car first.
Then music it is.
Singing along to upbeat music. Let's sing together. Twinkle!
Up above the world so high.
Like a diamond in the sky.
Ruby, you are making up the words again. That makes the song better.
They are taller than me. They are almost taller than Dad.
Now that would be impressive.
Stand together. This is our first trip photo. No silly faces this time.
Too late, Mom.
All right, here we go.
This place smells like a hug. I want the strawberry bun with the shiny sugar on top.
1 bun each, and no sugar races in the car.
This is the best trip breakfast ever, and we already had breakfast at home.
That just means this trip is extra special.
We have not even reached the lake yet.
Look at the baby ducks. They follow their mom in a line.
I can see them so clearly. One of them keeps wobbling, just like someone learning to walk.
Welcome to Blue Pine Lake. We made it. That means the real adventure starts now.
Yes, explorers, this is where memory making begins.
It looks like a storybook house.
And the lake is right there. I can already smell the pine trees.
Welcome home for the weekend.
I call the top bunk. Then I want the bed by the window so I can see the moon. Perfect! Yay, this is so fun!
Shoes by the door, sweaters on the chair, and no jumping on the beds.
I was not jumping, I was testing the softness. Everything tastes better outside. Even carrot sticks taste like adventure here.
That might be the most impressive trip compliment I've ever heard.
I agree.
Steady hands, photographer. Make me look extra beautiful.
That might be impossible. You are already too sparkly. Okay, everyone smile.
I almost touched its wing. I think it wants you to chase it forever. Then I guess it picked the right girl.
Who wants to explore the lake from the water?
Me first, me first. I want to captain the adventure. It feels like we are floating inside a painting.
That means we picked a very good place for this trip.
I wish this ride could last all day. Look, tiny duck babies.
Stay quiet so we do not scare them. They're on their own little family trip too.
Dad, I can see a little island with a single tall tree.
Good eyes, explorer. Maybe we can hike to a viewpoint that looks right at it.
Stay close and watch your steps on the roots.
They are so tall, they almost touch the clouds. This is the best trail ever. My legs feel small today.
You can hold my hand if you want. We are almost stronger together. Step here first, then there. I already tested it, so it is safe.
Thanks, Sam. On this trip, you feel like a real forest captain. It looks wobblier than I expected.
It is safe, sweetheart. Just take slow steps.
I will walk beside you the whole way. Okay, one step, then another step.
You are doing great. See? You are braver than you thought. That's it, sweetie. You're so brave.
Whoa, this is even better than the pictures.
It feels like the waterfall is singing.
That is exactly why we came.
Trips are made of moments like this. Tired feet, messy sandwiches, and beautiful views.
Then this might be the best moment yet.
That sky changed fast.
I think rain is coming sooner than we thought.
Please tell me this is the adventurous kind of rain.
Stay close, everyone. Hold hands and keep moving.
I can see a little cabin ahead.
This is definitely a real adventure now.
Almost there, keep going.
Come in quickly before you all turn into puddles.
Best sentence we have heard all day.
It's raining so hard.
Mountain weather changes quickly, but it usually passes just as fast.
This cocoa might have saved my whole life.
If the sky clears tonight, there is a meadow where fireflies glow like stars.
Real shining bugs? We have to go there. It is like the sky said sorry for the storm.
I think it gave us a prize for waiting. Some beautiful things only come after the rain.
Smell that roasted corn and sweetbread?
It's wonderful, so lively. This trip keeps getting better every hour. It feels like the village is celebrating just because we came.
Maybe it is.
I want the pink lantern because it looks like a tiny moon. Mine looks like a piece of the night sky.
Then tonight the lake will have both moonlight and starlight.
Teamwork makes the soup taste better, I promise.
Then this should be the best soup in the forest. I'll add the napkins. Did the night just come inside?
Looks like the power went out.
Wait, I know where the flashlight is. Got it!
Good job, Sam.
Great job, Sam. You saved dinner.
I guess every adventure needs one hero with a flashlight.
Then I will be the hero of dessert.
This may be the coziest dinner we have ever had.
It feels like we are camping inside a fairy tale. I hope the lights stay off a little longer.
Who wants to hear about the time Dad got lost on a camping trail?
That story has too many dramatic details.
Tell us, Mom! Yeah, we want to hear! The stars came down to visit the ground.
No, these must be the fireflies Ranger Emma told us about. Let's follow them. It feels like we walked inside a dream.
I don't even want to blink in case I miss something.
Then let's remember this forever. Ready for a quiet sunrise paddle, Captain?
Only if I get to lead the mission to the middle of the lake. Let's go!
Lead the way, Captain.
I like quiet mornings too, but only if there are flowers involved.
That sounds exactly like you.
This one is my trip treasure.
It's perfect.
The canoe ride made the lake feel even bigger, and I found a forest treasure.
Looks like everyone had a good morning mission.
According to this map, we follow the stones, then the pine arch, then the heart-shaped rock. A treasure hunt on the last day? This trip is perfect. Let's go!
All right, team, let's move.
It looks like the mountain made a heart just for families.
Then this should be our best family photo of all.
Trips end, but the best parts stay with us.
And next year, we come back and make even more memories.
Deal.
Best family trip ever.